Hello there. So you want to know how you can recover your Roku app account on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store, search for the Roku app just like that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on this application, download it and install it onto your device and click on open. Once you've done that, all you need to do is click on this account tab down over here, click on sign in, and now in order for you to go ahead and recover, click on forgot password. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you for your email that is connected with the account. Simply go ahead and enter your email and go ahead and submit it. Once you do that, they're going to send you a code on your email, and all you need to do is enter that code and then change your password. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.